decided ことになる And a rule, a schedule, or a plan That's already in place ことになっていることになる Use the dictionary form or the negative form Then add ことになる This means it has been decided or it turned out that the decision wasn't made by you alone Maybe a company, a teacher, your family Or everyone together made the decision 日本で働くことになりました It has been decided that I'll work in Japan 来月結婚することになりました It has been decided I will get married next month 安田さんがリーダーをすることになった It was decided that Mr. Yasuda will be the leader Sometimes life decides for you That's ことになるいることになっている This doesn't mean someone is deciding right now It means the rule, the schedule, or the plan already exists Again, use the dictionary form or the negative form Then add ことになっている That's the rule, that's the plan I'm scheduled to meet Mr. Yamamoto